So we're going to deploy a server with Amazon LightSail using PowerShell. To get started, we first need to select the blueprint. So we use a command called get-ls blueprint list. Blueprint is essentially a Windows Server image that we're going to use. So I've piped this command into the where object to look for a blueprint ID that looks like Windows Server 2016. So you'll see by running that command that we've got two images or blueprints that we can use. So we've got Windows 20 Server 16 and we've also got one with SQL Express. So I'm going to use the first one, and the next thing we need to do is then choose our bundle list. So the bundle, the instance that we'll use, this is essentially an EC2 instance, and we can retrieve a list by running get-ls bundle list. So you'll see this is the variety of instances that you can spin up. For this demonstration, I'm going to use nano_win_2_0. The reason for that is this particular instance you can use free for 1 month on a trial period. After that, you pay $8 a month for this one. So to create the new instance, we use a commandlet called New-LSInstance. So I've splatted the parameters and we are selecting our blueprint ID, which is the image I referred to earlier, the bundle ID, which is nanowin2. I'm going to give the instance name the name of Win 2016 server. I have to specify a profile name. This is my AWS IAM profile, and then a region and availability zone. So we're running that, and you'll see it's started to create instance if you look at operation type. So to check the state of our instance, to see if it's actually up and running yet, we use a command called get-ls_instance. So we specify the instance name, our IAM profile, and the region. So you can see there we have retrieved quite a lot of information on our instance that's running. You'll see the name, which is Win 2016 server. You'll see it's got a private IP and also the public IP, and it's the public IP that we'll use to connect to it. So to connect to it, we're going to use RDP in this instance. We use a commandlet called get-ls_instance access detail. So when we run this command, it should give us our username and password from the output. So you'll see the password is actually blank at the moment. It can take up to 10 minutes for the password to actually appear. So now we have our password created, we can log on using RDP. So type in the default username that comes with LightSail, and that's administrator, and then we'll copy the password. So you see now we've got our Windows 2016 server up and running. So I'm just going to log back off that. And if we go back into PowerShell, you'll see the next thing we can do is use the command stop-ls_instance. So this will let us actually shut down the server. We'll still have the server, but it will be in a shutdown state. So there you'll see from the output, you see operation type stop instance. So it's passed that command to the actual server. Now we can use get-ls_instance, and I just want to look at the state property to see if the server has actually shut down yet. And there you'll see at the moment it's just stopping. So we can see there the instance is actually stopped. So finally, if you want to remove the instance, by removing the instance you will no longer be billed for it. You can run the command remove-ls_instance. So we're asked if we want to carry on with this operation. We'll say yes, and that is the instance deleted. Now we can check that by running get-instance again, and there you'll see the instance does not exist. Thank you for watching this video.